Alrighty, sis. Are you ready to do your skincare and makeup today? Perfect. And are you running late or do we actually have some time? About 15 minutes. It's not bad, but yeah, let me just get your hair out of the way here. And then we are totally going to get started. Okay. There you go. Does that feel pretty secure? Good, good, good. Let me sanitize my hands because I'm just going to, you know. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. So, how about we get your skin prepped? Did you? Oh, no. Cerise, let me see. Okay. I think we can get away with this. Okay. All right, sis. Sorry, back to it. You never know with kids, am I right? So, you prepped your face, you cleaned it, basically. Okay, let's go in with some thermal water. And then we will get started with the skincare foundation before we... Oh, okay, that works. Motherhood, man. Okay, so I'm going to cover your face. Well, your eyes, I'm sorry, not your face. This is going to go all over your face. Okay, that should be good. No, I'm going to leave that in for you guys to see. Struggles. Okay, let's see. So we've applied that. So now let's go in. We're going to go in with some vitamin C. Well, I guess it's technically not like completely vitamin C. It's like a complex of things that can have vitamin C in it, but you know what I mean. So I'm thinking, you know, I've been getting more opinions on my random makeup situations that I do for you here. And I'm gonna look into like a darker room situation, maybe a microphone. I'm still thinking about it. You know, everything is money and an investment, so we'll get that figured out. Let me see here. Let's go in with some, we'll go in with a little bit of glow serum. Sorry about that. I really put that everywhere. Okay. There we go. Glowy, glowy, glowy. I love that. I do also like to go in with dewdrops. Actually, I thought I had a small one for you to just keep, honestly. But maybe I'm losing my mind per usual. We'll put a little bit of dewdrop. I just like a really glowy base. Not so much as far as like foundation and stuff, so for me the skincare ends up mattering honestly a lot more, because that's like, for my makeup looks, the main foundation. Is it due to just laziness later on, so I don't have to wash all that foundation off and stuff? Yeah. Yes, it is. I'm not gonna even lie about that. Okay, let's go in with some moisturizer. I am a mess today, you guys. Or sis, sorry. Losing focus. Just gonna put a little bit everywhere on your face, and then we're gonna blend this. How's your skin feeling? Very good. Next up in my skincare routine, sunscreen. I really love the K-Skin sunscreen. It's a mineral sunscreen, which I just really like. I use mineral sunscreen also. Well, I was first introduced actually when I became pregnant because they were saying you should use mineral-based sunscreens and not chemical. So I really like this one. Let's just put this. It feels really nice and light on the skin, honestly, and it gives like a super nice glow. So I think you'll enjoy that actually. Very good. The last new skincare I actually got into was the Rose Glow and Get It from Tula. It's like a cooling and brightening eye balm. I love it. So I'm just going to put it on you. Yeah, it's so pretty. Like your skin's already glowing so much. Next, we'll go in with this. I keep forgetting what this is. The Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I always forget that for some reason. Just kind of put it on your red spots here. And then I will blend that in for you. We could take like a beauty blender for that. Let's use an orange one. I'm feeling orange yellow vibes today. Let's get a little bit on your nose. Just really your red spots. I know you're supposed to tap. We just don't have time for that. Okay. All right. So now that we have that, we'll go in with the Merit Contour or Bronze Balm. I still don't know the difference. In the shade Clay. I've had some people ask me what shade this is. In case you're wondering, girl, it's Clay. There we go. It's like a super cute sun-kissed glow, honestly. I love that. Okay, where's the brush I normally? Oh, I think it's this one. Okay. Here we go. Looks so pretty on you, seriously. Super pretty, bronzy, a little bit on nose, neck area, just a little bit. Okay, I think everything is looking gorgeous. Okay, love that on you so much. So then we're gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Flushes. Love those, love, love. We'll go in with this color. This color is, where does it say the color? I don't know. I thought it was on here. Oh, I think there was a sticker and it just fell off, so sorry. No, but I like to put a little bit right at the corner of each lid because I use it as like a part eyeshadow situation. It's really, really pretty. Okay. I'm gonna go in with my brush. This one I do feel like you have to tap it in versus wipe it in, just because it's skincare. I feel like it's a little more delicate than the blushes, so it kind of takes the product with it if you like, you know, smear it. I'll take a little bit around the corner of your eyelids, a little bit on the nose. literally so gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's go in. Next thing we're gonna go in with is the highlighting balm. So we will go in with Merit Highlighting Balm and Kava for an additional glow right over like that under eye highlighter type situation. A little bit around the eyebrows. And then let me just grab a little brush for that blending. Not too much, but just enough to make it look natural and flush with the flushes. I do like my own makeup in case that wasn't obvious. I make up my own rules. I don't really know what else to do, to be honest. It's so cute. Let's see. The next thing we're gonna go for, we did like the solid base, obviously a lip. We need a really good lip, and I do have to brush out your brows and put some mascara. So that's, which one do you want to do? I'm holding this anyway first. We'll do eyebrows first. Honestly, I feel like this is the most relaxing part of anything. Just doing your brows, just kind of brushing them out. Let's do this brow. They like barely need any filling. I'm sure you know that. But there you go. Okay. Brush them out again. There you go. Brows look gorgeous. And then let's see here, we'll do mascara. So you'll just do the whole blink situation, okay? Okay, if you could blink, blink, blink. Okay, blink, 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 blink. Okay, if you could look up. Look up. Beautiful. Maybe blink a couple times here. Okay, same thing. There you go. Beautiful. Gosh, just makes people look so much more awake when they take mascara. Yeah, you should see what it does with me. It's crazy. Alright, then I have two really cute glaze lip oils you can opt for. This one is the shade Cookie, and this one is the shade Cinnamon Bun. Which of these would you prefer? This one. Okay. Alright. Do like this. Stunning. Looks so good. So good. So then I think let's put like a finishing spray type situation on you, and then I'll spray you with a little bit of perfume, and then you should be good to go. Okay, cool. Got that figured out. Let's give you a little bit of a really nice perfume. Smells so good. There you go. Ooh, this whole room smells amazing now. I love that for you. All right, very good. Well, I think we finished. Let me take this off your head. Let me just brush out the hairs that I completely messed up. Really sorry. But yeah, I mean, your whole look today looks so pretty. Yeah, no, it looks really good for sure. Alright. Yeah, I'm sorry, I just kept doing that. Okay. Yeah, I think you are all done, to be honest. I'm gonna go put all my stuff back. But but you can check out the mirror. If you need anything else, you can just come to my room and grab it, okay? Awesome. All right. Well, I will see you a little bit later.